welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm gonna be showing you guys these new acrylics that I got from MODELONES. So this is definitely not the first or the last time that I've shown you guys this company. They sell a whole bunch of different nail supplies as far as acrylics. They sell a lot of polygels, a lot of nail art items, and nail tools. So be sure to go check them out. As always, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that information down below. But I am really excited to use some of these because I feel like I got a good variety of colors. Off the top, I know for sure I'm loving these two pinks right here, but we have a little bit of fall, we have a little bit of summerish, spring. We just have a good variety. Again, the name of the company is MODELONES. So I think for this time, instead of swatching all of them, I think I'm gonna pick a few colors and do like a design with them on this little silicone practice hand. So I'm really thinking maybe something more Christmas-ish. There you go. So I'm really loving this red, and these are actually a lot smaller than these. So I have the 28-gram containers, which look like this, and I got 4 different colors. And then we also have the 10-gram little containers. So if you want to test out their acrylics, you know, their colored acrylics, and see if you like them, this would be a good route to take. They do have a Cyber Monday sale going on right now, and this is the last day so be sure to go check them out before the sale ends. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna use this red in the number 66, and it also says that they're 2-in-1. I believe they're like dip powders and acrylic powders. I know I get that question asked a lot if you can use colored acrylics as dip, so these you definitely can. I'm also gonna use this like glittery red one. It's like red glitter, and it has a little bit of holographic glitter in there as well, so that's super cute. I might do a little bit of ombre. So I see this one that's like a brownish color. This one is in the number 79. The glitter one was in the number 85. What else? I mean, we have a green, but this one looks more of an olive green, and it looks really pretty, but it's not the green that I want. This one looks more like a, let's see. I don't know. It's not like a forest green. Maybe I can try it out and see how it like turns out. What else? Yeah, I don't know what else I want to do. What is this? Gold glitter? Do I want to use gold? I don't know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and push all of these out the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with these 3 colors that I picked out. And then if I end up changing my mind and want to add something, then I'll just pick one of those colors that I show you guys. But like I said, for now we're just gonna start off with the red, the glitter, and the nude color. So let's see. And then again, the information as far as the promo code and stuff, I will be leaving that down below. Alrighty, so I'm gonna be using the silicone practice hand, and it's been a while since I used it, y'all, so bear with me because it's a little uncomfortable trying to hold it and stuff. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna start just randomly doing something. So for the first one, I'm gonna go in with the red. Let's see. Oh, this is super pretty. Remember that when you're working with colored acrylics, you want to make sure that you wipe your brush off a lot as you're working, because you don't want that product to get stuck to your brush. That red is definitely super pretty. So of course I'm gonna need a clear. I don't know if this is clear or white. Let's see. Alrighty, so for this one, I think I just want to do all red. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this red with the clear. And remember that when you use colored acrylics, the colored acrylics, they're only for color, but you actually build your apex and your thickness with the clear. And then of course, since this is just a practice hand, I didn't do clear underneath, but usually whenever I use colored acrylics, I do a clear underneath. That way, whenever my clients come back for a feel, we can just file away the colored acrylic and then we'll have the clear underneath and we can just go in with a different color. So next, I'm gonna go in with, let's see. I might try out this green actually, y'all. Let's see. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and use the green, and this one is in the number 72. The only thing, I think I've mentioned this before when using these acrylics, that they're affordable, but the only thing about this is that they're not like really smooth like butter. You kind of have to like pat them down as you're going. So you definitely can make them work, but you know, just keep that in mind. But like I said, you know, these colored acrylics, they're just for color, but you build your apex and your thickness with the clear. Just like that, and then now I'm gonna go in with the clear. All right, so that is what we have so far, and I just wanted to incorporate all three colors in one. So I did a little bit of green, the red, and the glitter in there as well, and it just looks really cute. So for the middle finger, I'm going to do, I do know that I want to do an ombre, so I might just go ahead and do this one, an ombre. Let's see. Actually, no. I'm gonna do the green at the tip. Or actually, no. I'm gonna do it how I want it to. Alrighty, just like that. Y'all, it's coming along really pretty. I really like that I did the traditional red and green together. So that I absolutely love. So next for this index finger, we're gonna go in with just the all red glitter. Just like that. And then for the thumb, I think I just want to do it all red like we did the pinky. And just a reminder that when you are using glitter acrylics, or really just glitter in general with your acrylic, you want to make sure that you do that glitter last because it gets all over the place. It was a little bit on the ombre now, and I know it's going to be some on this red just because, again, just do it at the very end. So I ended up doing the thumb red. As you can see, that red is super cute. And then now I'm just gonna let that last thumb or the thumb dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these up. Again, these acrylics are by Modelones. I think these small ones are great if you want to just test out their acrylics and see how you like them. They are really cheap, and like I said, they are having their cyber sale right now. Today is the last day, of course, so be sure to go check them out. They have a lot of other good stuff on there. Alrighty, so I went ahead and put all of the products up, and again, this is what the nails look like. So I'm not gonna do any filing. I am gonna go in and reshape though, but as far as like actually filing the nails, I'm not, because they are really nice and smooth, as you guys can see. So it definitely went on super smoothly, but again, the only thing about these acrylics is that they are a little bit, I don't know how to explain it, kind of a little bit grainy, so they don't kind of just slide on. You kind of have to dab them a little bit. I know the green was a little bit thicker, I guess I could say, than the red one. The red one, as you can see, did go on pretty smoothly, but that green one was a little bit more grainy, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. But now I'm gonna go in and just reshape the nails, and I'm really just reshaping the free edge because the sides look good, but I just gotta have a good shape, y'all. Alrighty, so I'm gonna just leave them like this, and now I'm just gonna go in with a top coat. I'm not gonna go in with any bling or designs or anything. As much as I want to, I'm just not, just because I wanted to, you know, just show you guys the different colors. Unfortunately, you know, I wasn't able to swatch all of them because of time. Just time. My boyfriend is actually at home really sick right now, so I'm just trying to hurry up and get home, honestly. But I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out of the way for you guys, since they are having that big cyber sale. Alrighty, so I did the top coat, and also before I put them in the light, I wanted to mention that the nail tips that I'm using on this trainer are the long press-on nails that are on my website. So I'll be sure to leave the link down below for you guys. As you can see, they are pretty long compared to other press-on nails, so be sure to go check them out if you guys are interested. But now I'm gonna just put them under my light for 60 seconds. Hopefully I don't mess them up, y'all. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you can see, they turned out really pretty. I absolutely love that red, and that glitter, y'all, is so cute too. And I mean, the three colors together in the middle looks so good together. So again, that was Model-Ones. Be sure to go check out their cyber sale, and as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.